Hey everyone, welcome back to where we help you maximize your online potential. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook and exploring how you can turn your time on the platform into a source of income. If you're ready to learn the secrets of earning money from Facebook, hit that like button and let's get started. First things first, you need to have a Facebook page. If you don't already have one, it's easy to create. Just go to the Create button at the top right of your Facebook homepage and select Page. Fill out the details about your brand or business, and you're good to go. Once your page is set up, you can start thinking about monetization. Facebook offers several ways to do this. The most popular options include in-stream ads. These are ads that play during your video content. To be eligible, your page needs to have at least 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes of total watch time over the last 60 days. Fan subscriptions. This allows your followers to support you with a monthly subscription fee. You'll need to meet certain criteria, like having 10,000 followers or 250 return viewers and at least 50,000 post engagements or 180,000 minutes watched in the last 60 days. Brand collaborations. Partnering with brands can be lucrative. Use Facebook's Brand Collabs Manager to find opportunities. Make sure your content is high quality and engaging to attract potential partners. Another great way to earn from Facebook is by selling products or services directly through the platform. Here's how. Facebook Shops. Set up a Facebook shop to showcase your products. This feature allows customers to browse and purchase without leaving Facebook. Marketplace. For individual sellers, Facebook Marketplace is a great option to sell items locally. Services. If you offer services like consulting, coaching, or freelancing, use your Facebook page to promote these services. Share testimonials, case studies, and regular content to build trust and attract clients. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to make money on Facebook. Here's how you can get started. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Amazon Associates, ShareSale, and Commission Junction are some popular ones. Create engaging content. Share valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. This can be in the form of posts, videos, or live streams. Be transparent. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience. Sponsored posts are a great way to earn money if you have a significant following. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services on your page. Here's what to do. Build a strong following. Focus on growing your audience by posting consistent, high-quality content. Reach out to brands. Once you have a sizable audience, you can reach out to brands directly or join influencer marketing platforms to find sponsorship opportunities. Create authentic content. Ensure that your sponsored content aligns with your brand and feels genuine to your audience. Lastly, consider using crowdfunding and donations to earn money from Facebook. Here are a few options. Facebook fundraisers. Use this feature to raise money for personal causes, charity, or projects. It's a great way to get support from your community. Live streaming donations. If you do live streams, enable the stars feature. Your viewers can purchase stars and send them to you during your broadcast, which you can convert to cash. And there you have it, folks. These are some of the best ways to earn money from Facebook. Whether you're looking to monetize your content, sell products, or collaborate with brands, there's an opportunity for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more tips and tricks on how to succeed online. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.